Good morning, students. Welcome back to IT lesson. So today we want to learn how to filter the data in Microsoft Excel. So the first step that you need to do, you must type the data. For example, here, price list of fruit, number, fruit's name, price per kilogram, and then these are the market name like Night Market, MMTC Market, Sukarame Market, Padang Market. And here are the fruits name: orange, mangoes, rambutans, watermelons, apples, and grapes. And here are the price of the fruit. Okay, and then if you want to filter the data, just click all the data, or you can drag for all the data that you want to filter. For example, like here, from Night Market until to Padang Market, and all the price list. Okay, and then please click data tab. Okay, you can see here is the data tab, and then you can find filter here. You can start to filter the price list. For example, I choose for Night Market here, and then I want to filter the data for the price list under the 60,000 rupiah. So you can choose all the price lists that below to 60,000. For example, this is 15,000, 20,000, and 25,000. After that, you can click OK. Okay, finally, you have filtered the data. And then, if you want to copy all the data here, just click here. You can see, okay, all the worksheet, and then Control C. Okay, after that, please go to the new worksheet here. After that, just Control V. Press Control V. Okay. You can see your data is only about the price list that you have filtered before. Okay, you don't find any price list that more than 25,000 in the Night Market. Okay, so students, that's all the tutorial how to filter our data in the Microsoft Excel.